Hello, my name is Jeff, and today we're going to show you the components and use of a laptop. As you can see here, this is our basic laptop. It's a Gateway laptop. It has all the same components. It's an older version, but has most components as any other version. First, to start off, we're going to show you the basic ports outside of the laptop. Okay, first we're going to start out with the front of the laptop. The ports, we have the microphone, and then the headphones, just to read an SD card. Then on the side is for the optical drive, DVD drive, or any sort of be able to rewrite discs or play movies. On the back we have a modem and an Ethernet cord. Those are basically for the internet. There's a VGA, basically for the outside display of the monitor. On the other side there's two USB ports, an S-video port, and then a FireWire. FireWire and USB are usually kind of the same. And then over here is for a NIC card for wireless internet. Next on the laptop, we're going to show you the inside components of the laptop. We're going to go ahead and take parts of the backing off. For that, it's always good to have a toolkit that's made for laptops or computers, desktops. You can see it has various sizes of screwdrivers, tweezers, devices to keep your screws in, other certain types of screwdrivers, and stuff to pull parts out of there. And then on the back, the first thing we're going to start with is make sure that you remove the battery. Sure it's unlocked, and then go ahead and slide it out. Oh, pull this switch too. There we go. Unlock, pull switch, because you do not want any power going to the actual laptop. First thing we're going to take off is just the panel to the hard drive. It's just a simple one screw. Pull it up. You may want to put your screws in some sort of container. Take off this panel. And inside you can see the hard drive. That is easy, just pops right out. And then you can remove that, and if you need to, upgrade to a bigger hard drive. Otherwise, goes back in, panel back on, and screw back on. Very simple. Now this main panel here will show you motherboard, CPU, your RAM, your CMOS chip, and I will show those here in a second. You may want to cut away from this crap. Alright, don't cut away.
Back in with the audio.
And we can make sure that all screws are loose. Carefully remove panel, and as you can see in here, we have our RAM, random access memory. When applications are used, it's where they're stored. Our CMOS chip, so when there's no power. And then in here is a heatsink, fan, processor. The RAM is easily be able to remove. Just pull it out. Flips up, slides out. Then you can upgrade your RAM if you'd like. And this pops right back in. Pretty simple. Okay. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and take off the heatsink and fan above the CPU and GPU. First thing you want to do is unplug the power to the fan. And we'll go ahead and remove the screws. These screws actually stay. They do not come all the way out. And we can just lift up and slide it out. And as you can see there, there's your CPU, central processing unit, your GPU, graphical processing unit. The parts connected to the motherboard. If you need to replace this, obviously you just put a new one in. Slide it in. Easy peasy to replace. screws back in. Just make sure they're snug. Do not over tighten. And then make sure you plug in the power. I'm going to test this, make sure the screws are still snug. And then up here, I forgot to mention, this is also the NIC for wireless internet and the NIC card. That's just the basic simple components in there. I'm going to go ahead and replace the cover and go from there. You can see I just slid the case top back on and just snugged down those screws. That was just the basic simple components of a laptop with the outside and inside. Make sure that was snug. You can go ahead and replace the battery until it slides right in and clicks. And you should be good to go. Okay. Is that enough?